If you are a postgraduate student and your thesis is giving you sleepless nights, you just found the right channel. I am Dr. Yemi, university lecturer, researcher, and the person who is going to make sure you finish. On this channel, I break down everything they did not teach you in your department. Data analysis from scratch, research methodology explained simply, academic writing that actually makes sense, and the real story from real postgraduate students. So you know you are not alone on this journey. No grammar, no unnecessary grammar, just clear, practical guidance that you can apply immediately. Every week, I post something new, something that will move your research forward. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and let's get your thesis done. This is Learn with Dr. Yemi, the home of research, data, and analysis. I will see you in the next one.